What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're breaking down why Shopify Starter Plan is one of the best budget-friendly ways to launch your business. I'm also going to walk you through the other plans and features so you can figure out which one actually fits your goals. Now, let's get into it. So, if you're new to Shopify, it's one of the top e-commerce platforms out there, built to support everything from small startups to large online stores. What makes it stand out is how beginner-friendly it is. You don't need to know how to code or mess with anything technical. Just follow a few simple steps and your store can be up and running in no time. And if you want a full step-by-step tutorial on how to set up your store, I've linked one in the description below to help guide you through the whole process. Now, I spent some time testing a bunch of popular e-commerce platforms, and in my opinion, Shopify stands out as the most well-rounded option for a few key reasons. Starting with customization. Shopify has a massive library on both free and paid themes that help your business stand out. So once you start building your online store, you can browse a bunch of theme templates and pick the one that best suits your business. And while you're building your website, you can either add or remove different sections of these templates using Shopify's intuitive editing menu. Now, this menu gives you everything you need throughout your whole process, including adding headers, feature collections, announcement bars, and so on. And what I found most convenient is that all of the sections on this website builder use a drag and drop editor, which lets you swap locations between different website components seamlessly and gives you more control over the creation process. Shopify will also automatically handle your stock management, watches input item quantity, and will display sold out to your customers. You can even turn this feature off so that your items appear in stock all the time, regardless of how many are actually available. And besides that, with Shopify, you're going to get an analytics section to show you valuable data such as your website visitor total sales, returning customer rates, average order value, and more. Now, this feature gives me a more professional outlook to your business and helps you figure out what's working and what's not. Now, if you'd like to try Shopify out for free, you can use the link down below. It gives you a 3-day free trial and then just $1 per month for the first 3 months. Easily the best deal available right now. It's a great way to test things out without spending much upfront. Now, let's take a look into Shopify Starter Plan. It's one of the easiest and most affordable ways to launch your store for only $5 a month and gives you everything you need to start selling quickly, like product pages, a secure checkout, mobile point of sale, and the ability to sell directly through platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Etsy, and WhatsApp. You're also going to get access to Shopify apps and other helpful tools for managing orders, customer support, and your basic analytics. And here's the best part. Whenever your business is ready to grow, you can upgrade to a more advanced Shopify plan at any time without losing your existing data, orders, or store setup. So with that in mind, let's break down Shopify's pricing and see which plan might be the right fit for you. All right, so the next step up is the basic plan. It costs around $30 per month if you pay ahead for a year. It gives you access to essential features such as the ability to have unlimited products, access to detailed sales reports, and support for up to 10 inventory locations. You're also going to get 77% off on shipping rates, along with full access to online store theme editing, custom domain support, and the ability to publish blog posts, which are things that you won't find in the starter plan. Next up is the Grow plan, which costs just under $80 a month. If you pay yearly, this one's a nice upgrade if you're starting to bring in more sales and need a bit more help running the store. Gives you up to 5 staff accounts, so your team can jump in and help manage things whenever you're not around. You also get even better shipping discounts up to 88%, and shipping insurance is included as well, which is a great option if you're sending out a lot of orders. You also unlock more detailed reports so you can get a better look at how your store is performing and what's actually working. Now, if you're running a larger operation or just need more control, there's the advanced plan. It's around $300 a month when paid annually, and yeah, it's not for beginners, but what you get is way more flexibility. You can bring in up to 15 staff members to help manage your store, and you're also going to get lower transaction fees compared to the Grow plan. Also, you'll get a custom report builder, which lets you create detailed reports based on the exact data you care about. So you're not stuck with the basics. Now, if you run an enterprise level business that sells to many countries in different markets, Shopify's Plus plan might be the one for you, starting at $2,300 per month. With this plan, it gives you all of the features of the advanced plan, but with added perks like unlimited staff accounts, support for up to 200 inventory locations, high volume checkout capacity, and tools to help you sell wholesale or run a B2B operation. On top of that, you get access to advanced automation tools like Shopify Flow, which allows you to create custom workflows to automate repetitive tasks. And you can also manage multiple stores from a single dashboard and customize checkout experience for a better shopping experience for your customers. So, to wrap it up, if you've been thinking about starting an online store but didn't know where to begin, the starter plan is a low-risk way to finally take that first step. It's simple, it's affordable, and it gives you just enough to get moving. Whether you're testing out a new idea or building something long-term, it's a solid way to get in the game without overcommitting. And the best part, as your business grows, you can upgrade to one of Shopify's more advanced plans whenever you're ready. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope this helped you figure out whether Shopify is the right fit for your business. But if you've still got questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to get back to you. And just a reminder, I left a link in the description that gives you 3 days free plus the first 3 months for just $1 a month. It is honestly the best deal available right now, so don't miss out. Finally guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.